Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to start your motorcycle with your spare key. This is your spare key. This is a plastic electronic key that will help you to start your motorcycle without your regular key. So if you lose this key or if it doesn't work for some reason, then you have to have this key to start your motorcycle, and I will show you how to do that. First of all, I'm gonna throw this away so it's not in range. So it's like 6-7 feet away from the motorcycle. So when I push the button for the ignition, then you will see the red light on the left corner. So that doesn't start the bike. There is a little round shape cutoff underneath your seat. To start your motorcycle, you have to put this electronic plastic key on that round cutoff on the rear fender and push the ignition button. And ignition is on, and then start your bike. You will see this warning sign that it is not possible to turn on the ignition again. You just ignore it and you start driving. When you stop the bike again, if you don't turn off the ignition, you can still start the bike. Just like that. You don't need to go all the way down underneath the seat again to touch this stick on the plastic. And on your journey, if you want to buy some fuel, turn off the ignition. Your full tank will be open, so you can fill up your tank. Okay guys, since we are talking about keys, let me show you just in case how you can replace your battery if your battery is dead or goes low. Most likely you're gonna see a warning sign on the screen, and in this case you have to take your remote control and pry up the cover on the back, and your battery is right here. It is only one battery. It is CR2032 code number, and you replace this and then you put the cover back on, put it back, and you're good to go. That's how simple it is. Okay, one last thing that you can do with this spare electronic key, you can also remove your seat with that key, just in case if you need your tools under your seat or for any reason you need to remove your seat. Yeah. Well, okay guys, that's all for today. This is your spare key. Make sure you do not lose this key. This is a very important piece of your motorcycle. And when you lose your regular key, you can just use this key. And I do not keep this key with me. I just keep it at home all the time, just in case. And I don't think I'm gonna lose my key. I never did once before. And I hope you liked the video, and see you on next one. Thanks for watching.